In this video, I will show you how to enhance text contrast to improve font rendering in Microsoft Edge. So firstly, open Microsoft Edge. Now here search flags. Now here type Edge semicolon / flags. Now here search text contrast. Here you will see option enhance text contrast. You can enable or disable. Once you need to enable, so select it, enable, then click on restart. Renders text using the same contrast and gamma settings that are used elsewhere in Windows. So if you want to make on, so select here enabled, and if you want to turn off, so select here disable. Then reset, restart your Microsoft Edge. That's it. So this way guys, you can enhance text contrast to improve font rendering in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.